My friend is satisfied. Large size. Madam will love I hold pressure and intensity level. It's okay. A little loud. I'm not sure it works as intended. I told my wife before using it, I feel good as a man. But what about women? I'll use it right today. But I think I can't wait for my wife. It works very well. It arrived on time directly at my direction. Its functions are as described and it has an unpredictable vibration force. It is very soft, flexible but at the same time firm. Excellent product. A great toy. Does not cause discomfort. Wonderful. Tried the sucking part on my thumb. Felt like it can be a little stronger, but I didn't try it all the way yet. Haha. Shipping was about 2 weeks to Canada. Really happy with purchase. Looks high-end but cheap price. I was unimpressed.